Number system. Under this topic, we will study about real numbers and its decimal expansion. Firstly, we are taking decimal expansion of rational numbers. Suppose a rational number 7 by 8 is given. If we divide 7 by 8 as 7 is dividend and 8 is divisor, so after division we are increasing 1 0 after putting the decimal, then it will be 64, then 6 0, again 8 7s are 56, 4, 8 5s are 40, remainder is 0. In this case we get remainder is equal to 0 and quotient is 0.875. We are taking one more rational number, that is 1 by 7. Here 1 is dividend and 7 is divisor. If we divide 1 by 7 as 1 is less than 7, so we'll put the decimal, increase 1 0, then we'll get 3, again 0, 28, 2, again we'll increase 1 0, 7 2s are 14 will come, then 6, 8 will come, 56, then 4 will come, and 5, 35, 5 will come, 7 7s are 49, and again we reach to 1. It means we have started from 1 and again as a remainder we are getting a 1. So if we'll proceed the division, again repetition of digits will start. It means in this case we are getting again and again remainder started repeating. Due to repetition of remainder, digits will also repeat in the question. So there are two types of decimal expansion. In one case remainder comes 0 and in the other case remainder never becomes 0. We get repetition of digits in the question. So we can say for all the rational numbers of the form P by Q, where Q not is equal to 0, we get two cases. First case, when remainder becomes 0, and the other case in which remainder never becomes 0. In this we can see here, in this decimal expansion will terminate or ends after a certain number of steps. In this decimal expansion will terminate or you can say ends after a finite number of steps. As we can see here, in finite number of steps we get quotient 0.875 and remainder becomes 0. On the other hand, in this case, when digits start repeating in quotient after a certain number of steps, in this case we can say in this remainder repeat after a certain stage. Due to this decimal expansion never ends. As we can see here, decimal expansion is not ending, and we get repeating blocks of digits in quotient. This decimal expansion in which expansion terminates, this is called terminating decimal expansion. On the other hand, in which decimal expansion never ends and it repeats again and again, this is called non-terminating. Non-terminating means never ends, non-terminating and repeating, or you can say recurring. It has same meaning, recurring decimal expansion. We can say one more examples here as 0.235. This is also terminating decimal expansion. Terminating decimal expansion. And suppose we write here as an example 0.321, 321, so on. We can write it like this: 0.321 bar. This bar means these digits are repeating again and again. So this decimal expansion is called non-terminating repeating decimal expansion.
बंद कर दो ना.
पता नहीं क्या बोला है, जरा देखो. Let's take some more example. Let's take some more example. Suppose one decimal expansion is 0.735, then other is 0.717171, then 2.3178, then 0.728531, then 0.001, 001, 001, then 0.72810,689. Now see, first one 0.735. As we have discussed this, after decimal we are having finite number of digits. It means its decimal expansion is terminating. Now come to another example, 0.717171, and repetition of digits is going on, so we can write it as 0.71 bar, and this decimal expansion is non-terminating repeating. Now if we see this 2.3178, this one is also terminating as digits are ending after some finite place. Now 0.728531 up to moving infinitely, endlessly we are getting the digits. In this case we can see this decimal expansion is neither terminating nor it is non-terminating repeating. It is not terminating because we are getting the digits continuously. It is endless, and this is also not non-terminating repeating because we can see here digits are not repeating. So these type of decimal expansions are called non-terminating non-repeating decimal expansions or non-terminating, non-recurring. We can also use the word recurring in place of repeating. Now if we see this again, in this we can see after decimal there is repetition of digits 0, 0, 1. So as 3 digits are repeating, so we'll put bar on the 3 digits, and this is non-terminating because digits are not ending after some finite place but repeating. So this is non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. And same way if we see in this, neither digits are terminating nor digits are non-terminating repeating. It means this decimal expansion is non-terminating, non-repeating decimal expansion. There are 3 types of decimal expansion: terminating decimal expansion, non-terminating repeating decimal expansion, and non-terminating non-repeating decimal expansion. These 2 types of decimal expansion we are getting from the numbers which are in the form of P upon Q, and these type of decimal expansions we get from the numbers which are not in the form of P upon Q. So we can say that decimal expansion of rational numbers will be either terminating or non-terminating repeating, and decimal expansion of irrational numbers will be always non-terminating, non-repeating. Now decimal expansion of rational numbers, the decimal expansion of a rational number is either terminating or non-terminating recurring. One more thing we can say, that a number whose decimal expansion is terminating or non-terminating recurring is rational. What does it mean? That if we have terminating or non-terminating repeating decimal expansion, then given number is rational number. And if a number is rational number, it means its decimal expansion will be either terminating or non-terminating recurring. On the other hand, the decimal expansion of an irrational number is non-terminating, non-recurring.